In this section, we shall first define the adjoint of a square matrix and then discuss some of its property. Let A be a square matrix of order n, then we can define adjoint of a transpose of a matrix obtained by cofactor, where capital Aij denotes the cofactor of elements Aij in matrix A. For example, let A be a square matrix, adjoint of A equal to transpose of the cofactor of matrix A, where capital A11, capital A12 and all are cofactor of matrix A. After taking transpose, we can find adjoint of square matrix A. Some properties of adjoint of A. For any square matrix A of order n and scalar k, we have first property, matrix A multiplied by adjoint of A equal to adjoint of A into matrix A equal to determinant of A multiplied by identity element of order n. Second property, determinant of adjoint of A equal to determinant of n minus 1, where n is order of matrix A. Third property, determinant of multiply of matrix A and adjoint of A equal to determinant of A of order n. Next property, adjoint of A equal to determinant of A of n minus 1 square. Next property, adjoint of A multiplied by k equal to k power n minus 1 into adjoint of A. Adjoint of adjoint A equal to determinant of order n minus 2 into multiply by matrix A. Next property, adjoint of transpose of A equal to transpose of adjoint of A. For any two square matrix A and B for which AB is defined, we have adjoint of multiply of two matrix A into B equal to adjoint of A into adjoint of B. For example, we have a matrix of order 2. We can find cofactor of given matrix. Cofactor of element A11 is 3, A12 minus 4, A21 1, A22 2. We can find a matrix after arranging cofactor. Then transpose of matrix obtained by cofactor, we can write adjoint of A equal to A11 A21. This is transpose of matrix obtained by cofactor. Then we can substitute here values of cofactor. Adjoint of A equal to 3 1 minus 4 2. We have a observation to find the adjoint of square matrix. If we have element of square matrix A B C D, then we can interchange the diagonal. And multiply by the elements in A12 and A21. We can arrange these elements to find square matrix adjoint. Now we will discuss some important question using property of adjoint. Find the adjoint of matrix A and hence show that A multiplied by adjoint of A equal to determinant of A into multiply by identity matrix of order 3. First of all, find the cofactor of given matrix A. We can write here cofactor of elements A11, A12, A13 and all. Then we can make a matrix obtained by cofactor. After finding cofactor, we can find transpose of a matrix obtained by cofactor. Adjoint of A equal to A11, A21, A31. This is transpose of cofactor. We can substitute the values of cofactor. This is called adjoint of A of order 3. Next property we have to prove A multiplied by adjoint of A equal to determinant of A multiplied by identity matrix of order 3. We can find here determinant of A. We can expand given determinant along R1. Determinant of A equal to 27. A multiplied by adjoint of A. We can write here, this is the value of matrix A and this is adjoint of A. Now we can multiply row by column. We have matrix of order 3. Taking 27 as common, we can write here, this is identity matrix of order 3. We have determinant of A multiplied by identity matrix of order 3. First condition, first property is proved. Next condition we have, if A is an invertible matrix of order 3 by 3 and determinant of A equal to 5, then find determinant of adjoint A. Applying property of adjoint, we can write here determinant of adjoint of A equal to determinant power n minus 1 where n equal to 3, where n is order. Then determinant of A is given 5. We can write here 3 minus 5 power 3 minus 1 equal to 5 power 2 equal to 25. Applying adjoint property, we can solve the given problem. Next problem we have, if A is a matrix of order 3 by 3 such that A multiplied by adjoint of A equal to 5 multiplied by identity matrix of order 3, then find determinant of adjoint of A. We can apply here adjoint property. Given A is a square matrix of order 3 by 3 such that A into adjoint of A equal to 5A, 5I, where I is identity matrix. We can write here A into adjoint of A equal to determinant of A into I. Applying adjoint property, then determinant of A equal to 5 and I to I we can remove here. Now adjoint of A, determinant of adjoint of A equal to determinant of power n minus 1. Same property we are applying. Which property we have used here? Same property we are applying here, where n equal to 3. Then 5 power 3 minus 1 equal to 2. 5 power 2 equal to 25. Next property we can apply here, if A is a square matrix of order 3 by 3 such that determinant of A equal to 3, find the value of determinant of A into adjoint of A. We can write here A is a square matrix of order 3 by 3 such that determinant of A equal to 3. It is given. Applying adjoint property, determinant of A into adjoint of A equal to determinant of power n, where n equal to 3. Determinant of A, it is given, determinant of A equal to 3. Then we can write here 3 power 3 equal to 27. We have applied here property of determinant, which property we have discussed. Next problem we have, If A is an invertible matrix of order 3 by 3 and determinant of A equal to 7, then find the value of adjoint of A. A is an invertible matrix of order 3 by 3 and determinant of A equal to 7, it is given. We can apply here property of adjoint of A equal to determinant of A power n minus 2 into A. We have value of determinant of A equal to 7 and order is 3. Then we can write here 7 power 3 minus 2 into 1. A is multiplied according to the property. Then we can write here 7 power 3 minus 2 equal to 7 power 1 multiplied by A equal to 7A. Next property, if A is an invertible matrix of order 3 by 3 and determinant of A equal to 4, then find determinant of adjoint of A. Given A is an invertible matrix of order 3 by 3 and determinant of A equal to 4, we can apply here property of adjoint. Determinant of adjoint of A equal to determinant of power of n minus 1 square, where n equal to 3. Value of determinant of A equal to 4, it is given. We can substitute here. Order of matrix is 3. We can write here 3 minus 1 2, square of 2 4. Already we have value of determinant of A 4, then 4 power 4 equal to 256 is the value of determinant of adjoint of A.